Hello dear students, let us discuss question number 5 of worksheet number 1 from the chapter Understanding Quadrilaterals. So here we are given a figure in which we have certain angles marked, and then first you need to see what kind of a quadrilateral is given, and then we will be finding the value of x. So this is the figure which is given to us. So here it is given that this marked angle is 45 degrees, and this marked angle is 100 degrees. This marked angle is 65 degrees, and this is also 40 degrees, and this is x we need to find out, right? So observe the figure carefully. So we will be using the concept of linear pair here, and then we will be using the angle sum property of a given polygon. So first of all, see which type of a polygon is this. This is irregular polygon, and how many sides are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So let us name this polygon A B C D E. So this is a pentagon. So we will be using angle sum of pentagon, angle sum property, that sum of interior angles of a pentagon. So n is 5, and we know that the sum of all interior angles will be n minus 2 into 180 degrees. So that means 5 minus 2, so 3 into 180 degrees, that gives us 540 degrees, right? So we would be using these things before solving the question. So first of all, to find x, so for this we will be first finding the marked angles. So I have marked here certain angles. So these are the 5 interior angles of the given pentagon. So how we will find 1? Yes, angle 1 plus 45 degrees is equal to 180 degrees because it is making a linear pair. So what will be angle 1? So angle 1 will be equal to 180 degrees minus 45 degrees, that is 135 degrees, right? Similarly, we are going to find out angle 2. So angle 2 comes out to be 180 minus 100, that is 80 degrees. Similarly, we are going to find out angle 3. So angle 3 plus 65 degrees is 180 degrees. So angle 3 is 180 minus 65. So that gives us 115 degrees. So angle 3 comes out to be 115 degrees. Now we will find angle 4. Angle 4 is 180 minus 40. So that is 140 degrees. And angle 5 will be equal to 540 degrees minus angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4. You know why we have written this? 540 is sum of all interior angles of pentagon. So this 540 is sum of all interior angles of pentagon. So you know that this is 540. So 540 minus, we subtract all the angles which we have found. So we get angle 5. So this is equal to 540 minus, now substitute the values. Angle 1 is 135 plus angle 2 is 80 degrees plus angle 3 is 115 degrees and angle 4 is 140 degrees. Simplify this. So this is 540 degrees minus, add it, you get 470 degrees. So 540 minus 470, that is 70 degrees. So we have found angle 5 to be 70 degrees. So x plus angle 5 is 180 degrees. Again, it's a linear pair. So what is the value of x? X will be equal to 180 degrees minus angle 5, that is 180 minus 70. So answer to our question is 110 degrees. I hope it is clear to you. Just revise it. What we have done here in this question, we have first marked the interior angles. We have found the interior angles 1, 2, 3 and 4 using the concept of linear pair. Then we have found angle 5 by using the angle sum property of the pentagon, and we know that angle sum of all the interior angles in the pentagon is 540 degrees. So subtract angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 from 540, then you get 5, and then x plus 5 is making a linear pair. We have got the value of x. I hope the question is clear to you. Practice this. Bye bye. Take care.